The chair where you are sitting on and the places where you are living can tell everything about you. Who are your friends? Which books you are reading? In which place you are eating your dinners? All these questions can inform us which type of man is you. Sometimes there is no need to ask a person many questions. From his atmosphere you can discover him. His smile, his clothes, his car, his house, his look, his haircut, his voice are all a definition for this person.